Do you also think that investment is only for rich people? And this lie, that you can become a millionaire in just a few days? How does that sound? You're being misled. Now, let's talk about the truth. The truth is that investment isn't magic, it's a long journey. The goal of investing is for your money to grow over time, step by step. Did you know? Even small investments can turn into big amounts over time. Even the world's biggest investors do the same. They don't get rich overnight, they let their money grow over time. The truth is, with compound profit, your money can grow on its own, and it's a simple process. And as your money grows consistently, you'll see that even your small investment turns into a large sum. So remember, the secret to investment isn't how much money you can make instantly, but how you let your money grow. If you want to learn the truth, follow us and get more financial tips that can improve your financial future.